to talk about a shortcut in JetBrains IDEs that if you're using their IDEs, you should always use as a developer. We're always going through looking at code. That's what we do most of the time, is go through code. And we keep clicking, we go into different things, and we're like, oh, I want to get back to a certain spot, but I forget where it was and all that stuff, right? And you start trying to manually click and look back, or maybe you search. Don't do that anymore. Just use a Command Option arrow left or arrow right to take you forward and backward in time. So I want to go back to where I was. I'm going to do Command Option arrow left. So I can keep going, keep going. So this is where we started, right? And I can go forward too and say, oh, let's go forward again and see where we navigated to. So when you have a pair or a mob or just yourself navigating code, this is going to be one of your best friends and a shortcut you should not skip, and you should really get to know and memorize. This will make your life a hell of a lot easier.